In this video, I'll give you an overview of the major ElevenLabs features and show you what you can use the platform for. First, ElevenLabs is widely known for AI text-to-speech. You can enter written text and generate natural-sounding voice narration using a variety of voices. Next, you can explore voice creation and voice cloning features. Depending on your account and permissions, these tools can help you create or work with custom voices. ElevenLabs also provides voice transformation and speech-to-speech capabilities, allowing you to work with recorded speech and transform it into another voice. For written content, tools such as Scribe can convert speech into text, while Reader can turn supported written content into spoken audio. If you work with long-form projects, ElevenLabs Studio can help organize narration for audiobooks, podcasts, and other productions. There are also dubbing and translation workflows for creating content in multiple languages. For more advanced use cases, ElevenLabs provides conversational AI and voice agent capabilities, which can be used to build interactive voice experiences. The best way to learn the platform is to explore each feature and test it with a small project first. Keep in mind that available features, limits, and interface options can change over time depending on your plan and ElevenLabs updates. And that's a complete overview of the major ElevenLabs features you can explore in 2026.